everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss a topic that's super important things every girl must do before getting married. I wish I could know this before. Whether you are in relationship or considering marriage or just planning for your future, this will help you build a strong foundation. So stick around till end for some heartfelt advice and career guidance that will change your life. Okay, so first thing first, I would say it's self discovery. Take the time to understand who you are, explore your interests, travel, and engage in activities that inspire you. This is not only boost your confidence but also help you understand what you want in a partner and in a life. Remember, marriage is partnership. Knowing yourself is the first step toward building a strong bond. Next up is your career, and I think this is the most important thing every girl must need to focus on before getting married. It's essential to invest in your education and career development. Having a fulfilling job or a passion can empower you, provide a financial independence, pursue your dream, whether it's further studies, skill development, or a standing your own business. This is not only make you more confident but also create a sense of stability in your future. Now let's talk about the third segment of this video, and I feel ये भी उतना ही ज़्यादा important है जितना कि हमारे लिए career होना चाहिए. So it's about relationship both with friends and family. Surround yourself with a supportive people who uplift you. Strong friendship can provide guidance and encouragement as you navigate through life, and don't forget to nurture your relationship with your parents. Their wisdom and love are invaluable. Trust me, a supportive family can be your rock when time gets tough. Now let's talk about finances, understanding how to manage your money and create budget. Start saving and learn about investment. Financial independence give you a freedom to make choices in your marriage, and start with a saving plan. Now let's come to a last and fifth segment of this video, that is setting goals. And set a personal and professional goals. Having vision for your life keep you motivated and focused. Write down your goals, short term and long term, and revisit them regularly. This practice can guide you making decisions that align with your dream and even after getting married. So as we wrap up, remember that preparing for marriage isn't just about the finding right partner. Actually, it's about becoming the best version of yourself, and it's a journey filled with emotions, joy, fear, excitement, and sometimes doubts. But every step you take towards self-improvement and understanding sets the stage for your beautiful future. Also, I would love to hear your thought. What step do you think are essential before getting married? Share in the comment below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content on a personal growth, relationship, lifestyle and fashion videos. So मिलते हैं next video में. Till bye bye everybody.